This is the expected output. Since this is not a tutorial on how to configure, let me know if you will have a hard time. And I can make a video for tutorial. In this setup, I connected an extra monitor to my laptop. So right now we're going to test Zelda Tears of Kingdom with the ELGATO HD60X. As shown earlier, the switch is connected to the ELGATO. Now let us test the controller and see if there will be any delay, and we'll be showing my computer in a full screen mode for a better visibility. At first look, we cannot find any delay. But if you look closely, there is an acceptable millisecond delay. Now let's see the performance of HD60X. The right screen is the one connected to the ELGATO and going to the switch directly, so we won't see any lag there. While the left monitor is where we run the OBS from my PC. That is connected via USB 3.0 to the ELGATO USB-C. This is actually my first capture card. If you ever had one, please let me know what is the performance, or if this is one of the best performance, I'm not sure. So please feel to comment. Thank you for watching. So if you want more video of this, please subscribe and follow. And let me know what should I do next.